That's my for Custom Cruises, very rare bit of kit here. We've actually got Harley Davidson FXRT fairing and the controls, which are super rare. And better than that, we've got a radio that looks like someone's converted this later radio to work with the Harley FXRD or FXRT switchgear, which is pretty unbelievable. Never seen that done before ever. But this is a later radio, which I didn't realise goes straight in the FXRT and RD fairing, but well, the FXRT anyway, but it's been upgraded to the latest stereo. Cracking bit of kit. Got loads more here. We got the indicators, which is cheaper to buy new than actually even re-chrome that. We've also got the rarest thing of all, the fairing. We've got a top box rack. We've got the brackets for the bags. I've got the bags which are rough as hell. Fairing actually in bags, got the marks on here, but not bad at all. But these things are getting virtually impossible to get, as you know if you're into Harleys. But it's actually very, very good condition. Even the front glass cover's good. As you can see, belong to the Harley Club of Great Britain. Got this off eBay, and amazed. It's the fairing's good, but the rest of it's horrendous. If you look at the state of the top box rack, to give you an idea, it must have been stored in a damp shed. You know, look at these. These were apparently fitted on a C90 Honda. And here's the brackets that they used to mount it on a C90 Honda. Horrendous looking thing. But anyway, Harley Davidson FXRT, very, very rare parts indeed. Top boxes in our showroom. Seeing it, this is our showroom. Bags of Harley stuff, Japanese stuff. If you haven't been here, you've not seen anything ever like this, believe me. We've got everything you need. Here's the top box, all going to be repainted and done. As you can see here, we've got everything. We've got Harley books, Harley brake pads, Japanese as well, not just Harley. Delcron cases, S&S bottom end there. This is an old iron-edge shovel, sorry, iron-edge sports to motor. Just masses and masses of great gear. Ultima box, well actually a complete Ultima, pretty well. Brake upgrades, big starter 2 kilowatt, oil coolers, all the things that you really should have, even though you're spending money on chrome. Oil coolers are a lot more useful. Premium sound, speakers, all your filters, your batteries, Odyssey, etc. Billet wheels, okay. Simpson gear, and helmets as well. As you can see, just masses and masses of great biker gear. So if you're in the area, Corbin seats, Mustangs, Salomon, Granucci's, give us a call. 01773 835 666. CustomCruises.com, or the new site, CustomCruises.eu, but there's hardly anything on there. So CustomCruises.com, we will be doing an FXR and bagger site because the two are pretty closely related, and I've got both. If you want any amazing gear, give us a call. 01773 835 666. CustomCruises.com, or the new site, as I say, CustomCruises.eu. Thank you.